An object travels 4 meters after 1 second. So after 1 second it travels 4 meters. Another second it travels 16 meters. And then 60 meters more in a third second. If this pattern continues, what is the total distance the object will travel in the first 6 seconds? And in this case, they're asking for the total. So therefore, they're asking for the sum of all the numbers, of all the first 6 numbers. Since it goes from 4 to 16 to 64, this is a geometric sequence. Because for it to go from 4, then 16, then 64, you are multiplying by one number. You multiply by 4. So this is a geometric. So see if you can remember your equation. You must memorize it for the test. So your equation is A1, 1 minus R, 1 minus R, where R is your ratio. And I'm missing something. I'm missing the N, which is how many numbers are we adding. So the sum of the first 6 number, N is 6. A1 is the first number, which is 4. 1 minus your ratio. Your ratio is what do I need to multiply 4 to get to 16? Your ratio will be 4. And N, how many numbers are we adding? N will be 6. Now in this case, you'll be able to use a calculator, especially because you're working with 4 to the 6th power. You basically just multiply 4 6 times. So it'll be 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Many times I just do 4 to the power of 6. So it'll be 4 and 1 minus 4096 divided by negative 3. And from there we can simplify. So it'll be 4. 1 minus 4095 will be negative 4096 will be 4095 divided by negative 3. And we can just use a calculator to be able to simplify. So it gives me negative 4095 divided by negative 3. And be sure to use your negative and not your minus. And that gives me 1365. So the sum of first 6 numbers will be 4 multiplied by 1365. And if you just type into your calculator, multiply by 4, the sum of the first 6 numbers will be 5460. Which will be letter A.